Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. Today we are diving into a fresh new platform on the BaseChain, and it's called the Carol Protocol. You have probably already seen a bunch of videos on this project. I certainly have. So the Carol Protocol is only about 4 days old, I think. And if you're thinking, BaseChain, isn't that Coinbase mainnet blockchain? You, my good friend, are spot on. I also wanted to give out a huge shout out to the crypto legend Experience Crypto 24/7 for introducing me to this project. And remember, always do your own due diligence and never take videos as financial advice. Okay, so why the BaseChain? BaseChain is a big deal because of Coinbase, duh. Like, Coinbase got over 100 million users on Coinbase. Developers are flocking to the BaseChain because they already got this huge market. So if you're unsure about how to set up BaseChain with your MetaMask wallet, you can check out chainlist.org. I will leave a link in the description box down below. I will also leave a link to Swapbase, where you can swap from any network over to the BaseChain. I swapped over a couple of BNB from the Binance Smart Chain, and it only took a few seconds to bridge over. Just remember that you will have to use ETH on the BaseChain, but fees are nothing like Ethereum fees. They're only about a few cents, so that is definitely very bullish for the BaseChain. Let's get this crypto. But yeah, let's zoom in on our store today, Carol, aka the Carol Protocol. So where did the name Carol come from? Well, Carol is the famous meth head Smeagol that was working at FTX, and she partook in some nasty adult activities with Sam Bankman-Fried, and I'll leave it at that. Now, before we jump in to the Carol Protocol, I just want to let you know that they have been audited by Spywolf Network, and it came back rock solid. Now, how does it work? The Carol Protocol allows you to bond tokens. You swap your Ethereum for the Carol token, which you can then use to form LP tokens to earn even more interest. Let's get this crypto. And you even get a 30% bonus when you bond. The mechanics? Simple. Swap, stake, and reap the rewards. Let's get this crypto. Pairing up your Carol and staking it with ETH does not only earn you daily interest, but also liquidity and holding bonuses, as you can see right here. And if you're someone who loves referring friends to other crypto projects that you are in, Carol also has a lucrative referral program, as you can see right here. You can earn up to 20% in referral rewards depending on the attracted TVL. Looking at the metrics, we can see that the total liquidity right now is almost at 29,000. The current price for one Carol token is about 1.64 cents. Considering this is just day 4, the growth potential here is massive, as the liquidity is so low, meaning when people buy up the Carol token, the price impact is significant. Plus, if they also decide to stake their Carol for a additional 2% daily bonus income, this then creates more liquidity, leading to smaller dumps when people decide to take profit. Let's get this crypto. Also, guys, don't miss out on their airdrop competition. The top 100 participants can snag a share of 400,000 Carol tokens. So now the big question is the price potential. How high can the Carol price go? Well, like I said, this is a brand new project on a brand new chain with already a massive customer base behind it. So how do I say this, like the bedrock is already set, now we just gotta build on it, and as more people get into this project, price will increase, especially with this low liquidity. So yeah, like just imagine if we hit like 10 cents. Now how high would that be? This is only 2 cents. Let's say we hit 5 cents. That's already a 202% increase. So all the way up to 10 cents. Yeah, you get the idea. This project got some massive passive income potential. Let's get this crypto. Alright, you filthy crypto capitalists. That's it for the Carol protocol on the BaseChain. I will leave all relevant links in the description box down below. And that's pretty much it for the video. I want to thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.